Question 8. A cement company earns a profit of rupees 8 per bag of white cement sold and a loss of rupees 5 per bag of grey cement sold. A cement company earns means they are getting profit. They are gaining of rupees 8 per bag of white cement sold. If they sell one bag of white cement, by selling one bag of white cement, they are getting profit 8 rupees. And a loss of rupees 5 per bag of grey cement. By selling one bag of grey cement, they are getting loss rupees 5. So by selling one bag of white cement, they are getting profit rupees 8. By selling one bag of grey cement, they are getting loss of rupees 5. Okay, first question from this. The company sells 3000 bags of white cement. How many white cement bags? 3000, and 5000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is its profit or loss? So we have to find whether are they getting profit or loss. We know very well, by selling one bag of white cement, they are getting profit only. By selling white cement, they get only profit. By selling grey cement, they are getting loss only. So let's calculate. We denote profit in positive. Is it or not, children? Already initial integers introduction. Profit will represent with positive, loss will represent with negative integer. So likewise, we denote profit in positive integer and loss in negative integer from the question. Cement company earns a profit on selling one bag of white cement is rupees 8. Then how many white cement bags they are selling, children? 3000. One bag of white cement, by selling one bag of white cement, they are getting rupees 8 profit. If they sell 3000, what do? We multiply. So 3000 multiplied by rupees 8, they are earning rupees 24,000 profit. By selling 3000 bags of white cement, they are earning profit, gaining 24,000. Then at the same time, loss on selling one bag of grey cement, minus rupees 5. Here initially we said no, profit we are representing with positive integer, negative we are representing with loss we are representing with negative integer. So here by selling grey cement, they are getting loss only. So here for one bag, by selling one bag of grey cement, they are getting minus 5 rupees. Getting means loss, not getting. They are losing. 5 rupees they are losing. That's why minus rupees 5. So how many grey cements did they sell, children? 5000 number of grey cement they are selling. So by selling one bag of grey cement, they are losing 5 rupees. Then 5000 bags means, so 5000 multiplied by minus rupees 5. Here also bracket must come. So plus into minus, 5000 into 5, 25,000 rupees. So by seeing this is positive, they are profit. They are getting 24,000 profit. At the same time, by selling the grey cement, they are losing the amount 25,000, that is minus 25,000. Then finally we have to calculate whether profit or loss. By seeing the value itself, definitely you would have received the answer. This is profit 24,000, but loss is minus 25,000. Minus. You received 24,000, that is profit, but you lost minus 25,000. You lost 25,000. You received 24,000, but you lost 25,000. So are you getting profit or loss? Definitely loss only. Is it or not? So total loss or profit earned by the cement company, how do? We'll add the profit and loss. So profit is 24,000 plus loss minus 25,000. So 24 plus into minus 25,000, and like subtract greater number sign, so minus 1,000. So you are getting the solution with minus mean whether is it profit or loss. It is loss. So the company gets, thus a loss of rupees 1000 will be incurred by the company. In this second question, what is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss? What is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss if the number of grey bags sold is 6,400 bags? See, what are they asking? We have to find the number of white cement. See, here they have given number of grey cement. How many grey cement bags are sold, it is given. But here we have to find number of white cement bag. It must, what is the number of white cement bag it must sell to have neither profit nor loss? What are they telling? By selling white cement bag, we don't know how many white cement bag, and they have given here grey cement bag, number of bags. By selling these white cement and grey cement, there is no profit, no loss. That is neither profit nor loss. No profit, no loss. Then means you just think there is no profit, no loss means both the value will be same. Is it or not, children? The cost, by selling the white cement bag, they receive some amount. Likewise, by selling the grey bags also they receive some amount. Both the amount, if both the amount same only, there is no profit, no loss. That is neither profit nor loss. So here we don't know that white cement bag, no children. So let's take that number of white cement bag as X. So here we denote profit in positive integer as we learnt at the previous question A. We denote profit in positive integer and loss in negative integer. Cement bag earns a profit on selling one bag of white cement. Children, we know that cement bag earns a profit on selling one bag of white cement. Already we know, is it or not? By selling one bag of white cement, we are getting 8 rupees profit. So let the number of white cement bags be X. That is as I said already. Let's take, we don't know how many bags because they also didn't give. So we don't know number of bags, no children. So let's take the number of white cement bags, number of white cement bags be X. It is X number. So if X number, the cost by selling a bag of white cement, 8 rupees. So how do you calculate the amount? We don't know the number. Number only we have taken as X. So cement company earns a profit on selling X bags. That is X number of bags of white cement is X into rupees 8x rupees. This X is number of white cement which we don't know. Then they have given number of grey bags in the question. So the cost loss on selling one bag of grey cement minus 5 rupees we know. Then the loss on selling 6,400 bags of grey cement. By selling one bag of grey cement, they are losing 5 rupees, that is minus 5. So how many bags are being sold here? 6,400 bags. So 6,400 multiplied by minus 5 plus into minus 6,400 into 5, 32,000. So now amount by selling X bags of white cement, we are having 8x rupees, and 6,400 bags of grey cement loss. This is loss. This is profit by selling X bags of white cement, 8x rupees. By loss on selling 6,400 bags of grey cement minus 32,000. So now we have to calculate. Now what did they say here? There is no profit, no loss. Neither profit nor loss means becomes 0 here. So the profit or loss, nothing, 0. See, company must sell to have neither profit nor loss. So profit plus loss. To calculate whether profit or loss, we will add the profit and loss. Is it or not, children? So profit and loss, when you add, how much do you get? 0, because neither profit nor loss. So we are going to add, profit is 8x rupees plus losses minus 32,000 plus into minus minus. We'll see the next step. So why do we place 0 here? When you find the profit or loss, that is neither profit nor loss. You will not have any profit, any loss. So that's why it is given equal to 0. Here we are making equation. Profit plus loss equal to 0. Profit is 8x rupees plus loss is minus 32,000. So now 8x plus into minus minus 32,000 equal to 0. This is equation, children. Now we are going to simplify the equation. To solve this equation, we have to separate the variable. Now variable is x. So the x is multiplied by 8 and it is under subtraction also by minus 32,000. So let's send this minus 32,000 from left hand side to the right hand side of the equation. Transposing method. This method is called transposing. We are changing the position. So this minus 32,000, when you send from left hand side to right hand side, it becomes plus, positive. So only you are sending this minus 32,000 from left hand side. So what remains left hand side? 8x equal to, right hand side we are not disturbing, 0. This minus 32,000 is becoming what? Plus 32,000. So now 8x equal to 32,000. To get that x value, again first you see, children, in this equation first we sent minus 32,000 to right hand side. Then we are sending this 8 also, because solving equation means we have to separate the variable. So first we sent out this minus 32,000. Then along with x, 8 under multiplication. Here 8 into x. Multiplication is hiding. So here we are sending this 8. When you send this 8 from left hand side to right hand side, it is becoming division. It will become under division. That is transposing method. So when you send this 8 to right hand side, what remains left hand side? X equal to, already right hand side 32,000. This 8 will become under division. Then when you divide, you are getting 4,000. The same question can be solved another method also, children, but there also you will be having equation only. So to have neither profit nor loss, how many number of white cement bags are required? 4,000 number of white cement bags.